Carbery's 100 miles challenge. I'm heading out now from Silver Strand on Sherkin out towards Cape Clear direction. So that's the plan for today. Alright, more as we go along. Ahead of me is Crab Rock, and behind that is I-VanLife. Crab Rock is really quite low lying. Over there is Cape Clear. So this is where we are today, a Gascannane Sound, which can be quite notorious for tides, but right now we're okay. The weather's settled. I have the sea area forecast there going on in the background. I'm not sure if I'll be landing here today. Looks like we'll be very calm conditions. Oh, this is nice, this is good, this is good. A little pool I can just sneak into. So this is Crab Rock in the middle of the Gascannane Sound between Sherkin and Cape Clear. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to land here today because yeah, this place catches every bit of swell. The tides going through here are quite strong as well, but it's neap tides at the moment, so it wasn't too much of a problem. I found this nice little pool here right in the middle of the rocks where I can land. I think, yeah, as long as I time the waves getting out, it'll be fine as well. So this is number 20, Crab Rock. This is a proper little river right along here. The tide is flowing here quite strongly. I'll have a look later on the Garmin. Yeah, Jesus, I am barely moving here. Probably a good 3 knots. This is I-VanLife, right between Sherkin and Cape Clear, and south of here there's absolutely nothing until you hit South America, northern Spain, depending on which direction you go. So big open seas here. Wow. Now landing here might be a little bit more tricky. We'll see if I can find a sneaky spot. Going through here, the swell is coming in from both directions and then meeting in the middle just ahead of me. Wait to see now when they meet. Hey, they're there. Yeah. Zero chance of landing here today, I think. Ooh. although maybe there's a spot. Okay, let's have a look there. So in on Brock, number 22 of Carbery's 100 Isles. I did actually manage to land here. There's a little beach, and yeah, I got in between the swells. But what a place, what an absolute stunning place. Cape Fear behind me, and Sherkin on that side. And you know, as sea paddlers, we are so lucky that we can get to places like this, because you could not land in here in a rib or a yacht or any other kind of vessel, really. We're just so lucky. I think that's enough for today. It's a short paddle compared to the earlier ones this week. Nice. That was fun. Yeah.